Alright, here we are at Giggle Ridge and Cultus Lake Adventure Park. We're at hole number 15. Ma's already checking it out. She's snookered me. I'm telling you people, she's ahead 3 holes on this. Cannot believe she's ahead 3 holes. I have to start winning holes or else I'm not going to win this. But you can see, we got 2 different directions. Which way will she go? Which way will I go? We don't know. Let's find out. Here we go. Go ahead, Mom. What will happen? Which way will she go? There she goes. Dang. And she's going to come all the way back. If it gets all the way to the end, it's a mulligan. Ladies and gentlemen. Ah, it's a mulligan. Do it again. Oh, mulligan time. All right, here we go. Good hit. Good hit. Where's she going? Oh no! You want to go first or you want me to go? Alright. For a big 2. There's a big 2. Alright, Mom. You need to put this in for a time. Oh, I get the hole finally! I win a hole! Yes! I win a hole! Alright, that means she's only up 2. This hole 16. I still have a life left. I have to win a couple holes though. Stay tuned. Oh, I thought I saw a bird go by.